Leo, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, this is your channel song. You just cap so hard. It's just crazy. You just can't believe you're capping like that. And if you're capping like that, why don't you put the cap on? Love to see you shine in the night like a diamond you are. I'm good on the side, it's alright, hold me in the dark. There's no one got to know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored. Cause I live down on the street, so we'd meet when you need it, it's yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Oh no, Leo, we don't have to hide. This is what you like, I'll admit. Nothing feels better. You say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around, you keep my hand around your neck and we connect. Are you feeling it now? Like that? Cause I got so high the other night, I swear to God I left the ground. You're back against the wall, this is all we've been talking about. Like that, Leo, nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better than this, Leo. We don't have to hide, you don't have to hide. So what happened when you have to hide from your mother, you have to hide from your mother and father for go fuck your ex-wife? You have to hide for do that? Why? Why you have to hide your girlfriend from your parents? Here you have your girlfriend on video call and she's trying to show you how beautiful she is in the night. Thank Allah. Thank Allah, right? And your parents come in the room, you have to end the call. She thought that she was calling you and she got so disruptive, she don't know why you end the call so early. I'm getting you have to hide. Anything you do, you have to hide. You have to hide off your ex-wife. Hey, you have to hide off your ex-husband. Hey, you have to hide. You just have to hide. But I'm getting nothing feels better than this. So I'm getting this is a risk. This has to be a man. This is a risk that this man is willing to take. He's willing to risk it all. Risking marriage, risking relationship with his family. He is not willing to risk coming. That's the point. That's why he's taking a risk. But other than that, yeah, I'm getting nothing feels better than this, Leo. And we don't have to hide. This is what I like it to be. Or should I say, Leo, nobody did it better than you. I should say that. And it's not about hard feelings. It's not about the cussing argument. I am being honest. Honest as Allah has taught me to be honest, right? Great. Nobody did do it better than you. So let's clarify the rumors. Leo, you did the best, actually. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. We're going to have an overall card for you. And we're going to Leo holds a record for 7 sessions in one night. Sorry. You might be asking me, why are you so comfortable talking about these things? Sweetie, it's because I'm homeless. 311 is comfortable putting me up, so I can be comfortable sharing my business. Service Canada, providing you with ultimate care for our citizens and immigrants who have been abandoned. Okay, so your overall message is the Ace of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting nothing feels better. I'm actually getting I'm seeing a penis and it's ejaculating. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'm getting nothing feels better. So I'm getting nobody did it like you, nobody can ever take your place, or I'm getting again, you don't want to hide and do this anymore. You don't want to hide your relationship. You want people to know that, hey, that's my girl. You want man to know, say, yes, that is mine. You want girls to know that, yes, that is mine. Don't fucking look, don't touch, and bitch, if you know what he smells like, we gonna have a problem, okay? But I'm getting your love. You're optimistic. You are passionate right now, Leo. Let's see what your love card is saying. Your love is the King of Swords. So I'm getting you're not necessarily. I'm getting your main card is love, but you're very analytical with the love. You're not just going to do something in a haste or do something without thinking. I'm guessing you're thinking exactly as how you can do it, right? If you're cheating, you need to think how you can cheat. You're cheating on your girlfriend with your ex-wife. This is so fucking funny. It's not necessarily cheating. At least one of them God did say yes, I can. So I don't know why you think that's cheating. Woo! I'm sorry. When I understand, sir, I eat, breathe, and sleep, tarot. Okay? What is your career and money? The Knight of Swords. So me getting everything has been withdrawn, or me getting digital all of your money digital. Me don't know if you buy NFT or if you buy Bitcoin. Me getting your money digital. So you work online, whatever you do it online. Security, you do Bitcoin, you do upon dark web, that's where you get your money. Your health is a 5 of Cups. Your health is not doing too good at the moment, and I feel like it's a heartbreak triggered it. Now this could have been something in your past, because right now you're at the Ace of Cups. Now, unless you're seeing that you don't have time for a relationship, you don't have time for love, or you're just not an emotional man right now, then me getting you feel disappointed. I'm getting you want a relationship, but you also have to accept that you might not be willing and patient enough for a relationship right now. I'm getting something going with your health. This could be for some reason you're leaking in your underwear. I'm getting urine after you urinate and you do this. Like what guys do them shake, right? Why you don't just take tissue and do this? I don't have a penis, so I don't know, right? But after you shake and put it in your pants, basically, me get things like you leak. Or before you want to urinate really badly, you're leaking in your pants. This could be urination, you wet the bed, something like that. Because I'm getting whatever is happening to you is more cerebral. Me getting a sickness is not nothing physical. It's you're traumatized or you think about something. And what is your home life? Your home life, yeah, this is what you want in your home. No, it could be you're having snow. No, your main card is the Ace of Cups, and your home life is this. So I'm getting nothing feels better than this. When work is hectic, when career and money is stressing you out, when your health is not that great, me getting what can solve all those problems is love. Your home life. You want a home life. That means you want to come home to see somebody there. So I don't know, Leo. I'm getting is either this is a new love you're going to take a chance with, or I'm getting you have a new love right now, but you go back to your ex. I'm getting you want to be intimate with your ex. I'm getting there's something about not seeing this person for a very long time, and I'm getting your sexting the I miss you out of somebody. That's what you like, that's what you want, Leo. Something like that. But I'm getting you're the type of person you're gonna work till you're dead. So it don't make sense to ask if you're tired, because you're not going to say you're tired. I'm getting you're always thinking. Hermit, we have Virgo, we have One Way. We have the Lover's card. Yeah, you're in love with somebody. We have Taurus, and we have I Was Innocent. You in love with a Taurus, Leo. Leo, you're gonna left your woman and go fuck your ex-wife. You're gonna left your fucking man and go fuck your ex-husband. Hear this shit. You and your ex them have to hide. Creep and blood clot. Cause I'm creep. Yeah. And I am on the low. And your new girlfriend don't have to know. Cause I creep. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.